Hello everybody, and welcome to the Bernat Blanket Stitch Along for 2019. I'm Marley Bird, and I'll be your host for the knitting version. I am so honored to be able to take you along this journey as we make this spectacular blanket using Bernat Blanket yarn. This project uses 4 different colors of Bernat Blanket yarn available at JOANN. The materials you need are as follows. You need 7 total balls of yarn, 1 of color A, and 2 balls each of colors B, C, and D. Along with the yarn, you need a few extras. You need a pair of size 11 36-inch circular needles, a stitch marker, a cable needle, a tape measure, a good pair of scissors, a 5-inch piece of cardboard. Let's just set that right there. Last but not least, you will need some extra worsted weight yarn in a shade that matches your contrast color A. This stitch along is 6 weeks long. Each week we will release the pattern along with the video instructions taught by me for the knitting version for you to follow along and create this beautiful blanket. I will teach you how to do different stitches, how to change colors, and various tips and tricks that I've learned in my many years of knitting. If you're interested in making the crochet version, my friend Mikey over at the Crochet Crowd is demonstrating how to make the really beautiful crochet version. It is so cute. These blankets are super adorable, and I know that once you make yours, you are going to fall in love with it. I know that I fell in love with my little sample and I turned it into something really great that you'll have to wait to see until the very end. So be sure to join me for the Bernat Blanket Stitch Along. It starts really soon. Stay tuned for all the details. I'm Marley Bird, and I'll see you soon. Bye!